Today I am going to teach you how I made this robotic arm animation.
Make a new composition. Name the composition. Make resolution 1080 by 1080 pixels. I am making background color to white and click OK. Import PNG images from your computer. Drag your PNG file and composition and arrange them properly. Move the anchor point of image using pen behind or anchor point tool. Place the anchor point where the image should rotate. Do the same for all the robotic arm. Now select Parent Pick Whip tool and connect arm 1 to top.png, then arm 2 to arm 1, and arm 3 to arm 2. Now select the layers you want to animate and press R to open rotation option. Play with the rotation value to check if all the arm are working correctly.
Next I am going to show how to make claw and attach it to the robotic arm. Thank you for watching this video.